Okay, 3 ways to unpivot data. First is the PivotTable wizard. We've then got Power Query, and then lastly a custom Lambda function. So let's start with the PivotTable wizard. Click somewhere in your data. Use this shortcut key Alt-D-P. Select multiple consolidation ranges. Then Next. Leave this screen as it is. Click on Next. Then select your entire data range, including your headings. Click on Add, and click on Next. Then you need to decide where you want your pivot table report. For the purpose of this exercise, I'll put it on an existing worksheet, in fact this worksheet. So just select a cell within this worksheet and click on Finish. Now your next step is to remove columns, filters and rows. So you're just left with the sum of values. Then you double click on the sum of value in the sheet and you get your unpivoted data. You can remove this page 1 column. And if you wanted to have a separate column for the type of record, as in budget versus actual, and then another column for the month, this is what you could do. You could insert 2 columns. And then in this first column, in the first row, type budget, Control Enter and then Control E, and that will extract the first word from this column. And then column 2, I would type Jan because that's the second word, Control Enter, Control E, and that will extract the abbreviated month. So I can then get rid of this original column and rename these columns. Okay, second method uses Power Query. Click somewhere in your data. Go to the Data tab on your ribbon, click on From Table Range, click on OK. Go to the Transform tab, select all of the columns that you want to unpivot. So for me, that will be everything except the row headings. So select that first column, go over to the last column, Shift select the last column. Then on this Transform tab, I click on Unpivot Columns, and then I want to separate the type of record from the month. So with that column selected, I go up to Split Columns, so this is still on the Transform tab, by delimiter. My delimiter is a space, so that's correctly identified. So all I need to do is click on OK. So then I can call this column Type and this column Month. So then all I need to do is extract that to the worksheet. So on the Home tab, I go to Close and Load. And the unpivoted data will appear on a new sheet. Third method, Lambda function. So in this cell here, I've got the Lambda function, and I'll leave that function in the description of this video. And all you need to do is copy it. Go up to the Formulas tab on your ribbon. Go up to Name Manager, go to New, and then in the name box type unpivot. And then down here in the Refers To box, paste in that formula that I've provided. Click on OK, and then click on Close. So now, if I just zoom out a little bit, I can type equals unpivot in this cell, and I have to give my row headings, and then my column headings, and then my values. And if I close the bracket and press Enter, it returns an unpivoted version of the data.